Lake Superior is number 1 freshwater lake, and the second number is Lake Victoria, which makes boundary of 3 countries, Tanzania, Kenya and Uganda. 49% Tanzania, 45% Uganda and 5%, 6% Kenya. This lake has shoreline of 3,000 miles, nearly 4,500 kilometers. It is 337 kilometers long and 250 kilometers wide at the maximum. Its major source, 80% source is from rains, and the other sources are streams running into the lakes. Lake Victoria is drained into River Nile mainly. Kagera River is the largest stream which falls into this Lake Victoria. This is Gama Beach. Lake Victoria, the largest freshwater lake in the world. We are buying this boat for 20,000 shilling. We are 2 persons and going to a nearby island.
जजीरे से वापसी का सफ़र शुरू हो गया है। इस जजीरे पे हम गए थे और ये अब हम बोट के ज़रिए वापस जा रहे हैं। बहुत ज़बरदस्त, माशाल्लाह, बहुत ज़बरदस्त जगह थी। अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह रब्बिल आलमीन, सुभान अल्लाह, सुभान अल्लाह, सुभान अल्लाह।